Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Abu Bakr Idris and I am group leader of Group A2M. Our semester project is Budget Machine created by Group A2M. As hostel students ourselves, we noticed a common problem of managing monthly pocket money. Many students either overspend or forget how much they have used, leading to stress by the end of month. We decided to solve this real life issue with our web application that could track, manage, and transfer budget amount easily. As a group leader, I had multiple responsibilities, including planning and coordination. I divided the work among team members based on expertise. Front end Elise Elias, back end Ashan Heather, database Mariam Batul, testing Sarah Javed. I monitored everyone's work to make sure we stayed on schedule and followed our objectives. I prepared the team progress reports, oversaw the final documentation, and made sure each member contribution was clearly represented. Finally, before submission, I reviewed the entire system to make sure the front end, back end, and database part work smoothly together. For our project, we used Django framework for backend logic and routing, HTML, CSS, and templates for front-end designing, SQLite 3 and JSON for storing user data and budget records, Python as a primary language for our backend. We followed a step-by-step approach to set up our Django environment. Firstly, we installed Django using pip install Django command. Then we created project and app using Django admin commands. Then we registered this app in the settings.py under installed app. Then we set up the SQLite database as our default database and created the initial migrations, defining URLs, views, templates, and models according to the project structures. Created folders for template, static files, and JSON data storage. Finally, we ran the server and began building features one by one using MVC architecture that Django follows. Now, I would like to hand it over to our front-end developer Elise Elias, who will walk you through the user interface and design of our budget machine.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Elise Elias and I worked as a front-end developer for our semester project. My main responsibility was to design and develop the user interface of our web application using Django templates which include HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I created all the main pages including sign up for user registration, sign in for login, dashboard which displays the user balance and budget, send money where users can transfer budget to others. I made sure that the layout is simple, clean and mobile friendly so hostel students can use it easily on any device. For this, I use Django CSRF tokens and blocks tags for template security and reusability. Connected forms to backend views using post methods, applied CSS for styling and a consistent theme, added meaningful placeholders, form validation messages, and hover effect for a better user experience. I also handle the error message and alerts so user can feedbacks if they enter invalid data or try to send money more than allowed. The challenge I faced was keeping the interface responsive while Django dynamically loaded data. I resolved this by organizing templates into blocks and using bootstrap classes. To summarize, I ensured that users can interact smoothly with the system from signing up to checking their budgets and making transfers, all through an intuitive and user friendly interface. Now, I will hand it over to a backend developer who will explain you through the logic and processing behind these interfaces. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ashan Heather and I serve as a backend developer of our project, which is Budget Machine. My job was to write a core business logic of our application using Python and Django. This includes managing how user data is stored, processed, and transferred between the user. For the backend functionalities, I created the main logic behind these key features. Number one, user authentication, which include sign up, sign in, and log out using the Django's built-in user model. Number 2, financial data handling, in which every user has total balance and budget amount. Number 3, send money feature, only deduct from the user's budget, not the total balance. Number 4, Data storage. We use JSON files based on the user ID to store the financial data such as balance, budget, and transaction. Number 5. Validation check. Backend logic prevent user from sending more money than allow entering negative values. Now let's talk about how we connect the backend from the front end. We use Django's views to handle the post request from forms. For example, sendmoney.html. When users submit the form, the request goes to the sendmoney view. That view reads the user's data from the JSON file, validate it, and update the both sender and receiver and save the result. Now let's talk about the challenges which I face. One key challenge was ensuring that the only budget gets reduced when the money is sent, not the total balance. So I implemented the logic that always check. Number 1, is the budget sufficient? Number 2, are both users valid? And number 3, is the amount reasonable? At the last, to summarize, I handle everything from the account management to secure budget transfer. I ensure data integrity, validation, and backend logic using Django's, making our system both functional and reliable. Now, I would like to handle it over Mariam Batul. She will explain you about database management.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Sayyida Maryam Batul, the database manager for our project called Budget Machine. My job was to manage how all the user and budget data was stored, retrieved, and organized. For this, we use two storage methods. First, a SQLite 3 database called db.sqlite3. Second, a JSON file with one file for each user. In the db.sqlite3 database, we stored user account information like username, password, email, and user IDs. This part was handled by Django built-in user model, which we configured in the setting.py file. On the other hand, we use JSON file to store each user budget and transaction data. Each user has their own file containing total balance, budget amount, and transaction history. To manage this system, I use a combination of powerful tools and Python libraries. I mainly work with Django ORM and SQLite for handling user accounts, the JSON module for managing user financial records, the OS module for working with file paths and directories. Throughout the project, I ensured smooth data handling by developing backend function and keeping both systems synchronized. Especially, I make sure that each user had an account in the SQLite database and a corresponding JSON file to store their budget and transactions. I also created backend function to read and write data from the JSON file and update the user budget and transaction history safely. All of this was done while maintaining data integrity between both storage systems. Now, I would like to hand it over to Sara Javed, our testing manager, who will explain how the system was tested for bugs, security, and overall performance.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sara Javed and I work as the tester for our project called Budget Machine. As the tester, my responsibility was to test the entire application to ensure it worked smoothly and correctly. I checked each feature like sign up, login, sending money, and ensured proper responses were shown for both correct and incorrect inputs. We focused on three main types of testing: functional testing, unit testing, UI testing. Functional testing to check if features like login and budget transfer actually worked. Unit testing, we test backend functions individually using Django tools. UI testing, we check how the user interface looked and behaved, including from validation and responsiveness. For testing, we use some helpful tools and libraries to make sure everything worked properly from backend to front end. Django test framework. We use Django built-in test case to simulate how users interact with the backend. For example, we wrote test for user registrations like this. This test checked that the user is successfully registered and redirected. Browser developer tools. We use browser tools like Chrome Div Tools to inspect the front end, verify from behaviors, and check how the site looked on different screen sizes. Third, manual testing. We manually tested the site by using it like a real user, clicking buttons, submitting forms, and checking that feedback messages appeared correctly. That's all from my side. As the testing manager, I made sure that every feature works properly and user get the right feedback. Thank you for listening. Now I had like to hand over to our group leader Abu Bakr Edges, who will conclude the presentation.
So that was our project. Thank you for your time and attention throughout our presentation on Budget Machine. As we look ahead, we envision several enhancements to further improve the user experience.